All right, this is the collective message for the week ahead. So we're seeing all these transformations the last, it's one big collective transformation, and we're reaching the final stages here. And so you're going to be going through this on a personal level, and the intensity of how you move through it, the details are all going to be independent of your personal situation. But we're reaching the very end of this transformation, and the message is to know that you are guided and protected through this end shift, okay, through the very tail end of this. Once you shift out of this, you will see a phase of magnetism. And so when we look at magnetism energetically, you're looking at the heart field. So depending on the clarity and vibrancy and scope of your heart field, because the heart field is elevates in octave with each density you embody. So third density heart field is going to be pretty small. Fourth density, it starts expanding. Third density, if you're really in the third density, you're probably not going to have much of a magnetic heart field. Most things have to be done through force. And then 4D, it starts expanding. 5D, it turns into the aqua heart. 6D is the rose gold heart. 7D is the golden heart. And then we start shifting into the diamond heart field and eventually into the rainbow heart field, which is pure alignment with 11th density frequencies held within the heart, and the magnetism increases 100-fold, a million-fold at that point, okay? So depending on where you're at, you will step into this space of magnetism, and that's when your thoughts and your beliefs go out through the field, and that's like the signal, the prayer, the desire goes out into the universal field, out into your reality, and then the heart field magnetizes it back to you, okay? So that's what we're seeing. There's a shift from this ending, this transformation, moving into a new beginning. So it's going to feel new, a lot of opportunities coming in, and new awareness, new conscious realities forming, new physical realities forming. Like I said, it's going to be dependent on where you're at. The heart field will begin magnetizing things to you after this transformation. And then there will be some time where strong, tempting forces, old, outdated energies, people, situations will push on your field, okay? So you'll become so magnetic that old realities, old thoughts, old patterns, it could be external, it could be internal, will push and try to hook into your field again. And so the guidance there is to stay centered, present, and aware of the external energies and your internal talk, what's going on, and don't move into this so innocently that you magnetize old realities or distorted energies in as well, okay? So, and then once your field is really coherent, the field itself, I'll do a full post on this, the field itself becomes the protection for you, okay? Because it will filter. Once it's a living biosystem and you've trained the field, it will protect your energy, your thoughts, your emotions, your reality from any distortions coming in, because you'll feel it and it will immediately push those out. So that's a really huge benefit of doing the energy work, okay? It becomes its own protective mechanism, so you don't have to worry about these invasive energies. Okay, so for now, wherever you're at, just pay attention, because there is a new beginning coming in, and just stay in alignment, centered, stay in integrity, and stay focused on what you're creating. Allow yourself to let go of the past distortions and energies and move into this new frequency bandwidth, this new beginning with grace, integrity, and the word caution is coming through, just so that you don't get pulled back into an old dynamic, okay? See you next time.